Hello and welcome to Feeding on Jesus International, where we believe that through the power of the gospel of Jesus Christ, we can feed and nourish the hungry.
Hello, beloved. What have you been up to lately? During this season, many of us may be reflecting on the year and making resolutions for the coming one. Perhaps you have been thinking, I want to grow in my career next year. I want to be more active and healthy in 2024. I want to spend more time with my family and friends. I want to work on my relationship. Setting goals, beloved, for the new year is exciting and inspiring, but sometimes we can get carried away and suddenly all our thoughts and plans start to revolve around our dreams and desires. Isn't it such a timely reminder of this time of the season to place the Lord at the center of your life? Because when you do, He holds every dream, every hope, and every area of your life together. Colossians chapter 1 verse 17. Beloved, the Lord cares for you deeply and personally. He is able to provide. The Lord is able to restore and bless you with more than you can imagine. He is the one you can depend on, the one from whom you can draw the strength and wisdom you need to win in life. He is the very reason you can dream. Be hopeful and expect divine favor to be on you wherever you go. So as we step into the new year, let's not get caught up in the pursuit of our dreams, but pursue the one who answers beyond our wildest dreams. Ephesians chapter 3 verse 20. In the midst of all our goal setting and planning, let's take time to commit 2024 to Jesus. He loves to hear from us, and His heart is for us to thrive and succeed in every area of our lives. Amen. Merry Christmas and happy, prosperous New Year. Shalom. Stay tuned.